What if I told you that the secret to youthful, glowing skin isn't hiding in expensive creams, but growing in your garden, sitting on your spice rack, and waiting in your kitchen? Today, we're diving into 10 natural remedies that help reduce wrinkles, firm your skin, and slow the signs of aging, all without harsh chemicals or synthetic products. Stay with me till the end. I'll share a rare plant oil that dermatologists are finally catching on to. Welcome to Ignite Health. If you haven't yet, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more natural healing and beauty tips. 1. Aloe vera. The skin's natural filler. This succulent isn't just for sunburn. It boosts collagen production and hydrates deeply. Aloe vera gel reduces fine lines, tightens skin, and soothes irritation. Apply fresh gel directly to your face for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Cool, calming, and collagen boosting, a true skin savior. 2. Coconut oil. The overnight softener. Dry skin exaggerates wrinkles. Coconut oil locks in moisture and softens lines. Its antioxidants fight free radicals and protect your skin barrier. Massage a few drops into your skin before bed. Let nature do the night shift, with glowing results. 3. Banana mask. The anti-wrinkle fruit facial. Rich in potassium, vitamins A and E, bananas nourish and plump aging skin. Mash one ripe banana and mix with honey for an ultra-hydrating face mask. Leave on for 15 minutes, rinse, and feel the difference. Nature's Botox. No needles, just bananas. 4. Rosehip oil. The vitamin C powerhouse. This gentle oil is packed with retinol-like compounds, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids. It fades fine lines, brightens dull skin, and supports elasticity. Use a few drops morning or night as a natural serum. Tiny seeds, timeless beauty. 5. Egg white mask. The skin tightener. Egg whites create a temporary lift by tightening pores and firming sagging skin. Whip one egg white and apply it to clean skin, avoiding eyes. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse. Nature's instant facelift. No filter needed. 6. Cucumber. The soothing depuffer. Cucumbers hydrate and cool the skin while reducing puffiness and wrinkles. Their high silica content also helps improve skin structure. Use cucumber juice or thin slices daily around the eyes and cheeks. Fresh, crisp, and full of firming power. 7. Olive oil. The ancient beauty secret. Used by Greek and Roman women for centuries, olive oil deeply nourishes and smooths skin. Loaded with polyphenol and squalene, it prevents wrinkle formation and boosts elasticity. Massage gently before bed for overnight repair. A drop of tradition for timeless skin. 8. Green tea, the antioxidant shield. Green tea is rich in catechins that fight skin aging and reduce UV damage. Use cooled green tea as a toner or make a green tea plus honey mask. Drinking it daily also fights aging from within. Drink it. Dab it. Defy time. 9. Papaya. The enzyme exfoliator. Papaya contains papain, a natural enzyme that exfoliates dead skin cells and smooths wrinkles. Mash papaya and apply as a mask for 10 minutes once a week. It unclogs pores, softens lines, and brightens the skin. Fruit meets facial glow naturally. 10. Castor oil. The collagen stimulator. Thick and nutrient-rich, castor oil penetrates deeply and boosts collagen and elastin. It helps fill in fine lines and soften rough skin. Apply lightly at night, especially around the eyes and mouth. Sticky but mighty for skin that stays supple. Herb bonus tip. Combine, rotate, and be consistent. Don't rush into all 10. Choose 2 to 3 that suit your skin type and routine. Alternate hydrating masks with oil massages, and exfoliate weekly with natural enzymes. Pair with lifestyle changes like good sleep, sun protection, and hydration. Wrinkle-free skin isn't about magic. It's about momentum, nature, and care. There you have it. 10 natural wrinkle-fighting remedies that are more than skin deep. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you learned something new, give this video a like, subscribe to Ignite Health, and share it with someone who'd love radiant, healthy skin. Remember, your skin reflects your story. Let nature write the next chapter. Youthful, vibrant, and confident. Seedling.